Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to your Tesla so you can play music over the speakers. So if you don't have premium connectivity, well, you can just connect your phone and you can listen to audio that way. So it's very easy. So let's go on down to the little Tesla option down here, the car option, and then we want to go all the way down to Bluetooth. So select Bluetooth. I'm connected to Wi-Fi too, that works. But if we connect our phone through Bluetooth, anything you play audio-wise will play over the speakers in your car. So we can see my connected devices right here. I have that connected, but there might be an option to search for devices. You can go to that. Otherwise, go to the Bluetooth options on your phone and connect it. So you can see Timbot Moto is already found and discoverable. I can just hit connect on the screen. Otherwise, you might have to swipe down from the top on your phone. And there could be like a Bluetooth option under your buttons, but just go to settings. Here's my Bluetooth options right here. Go to pair new device, and you should be able to see your phone pop up now. Just make sure your phone is searching and the Tesla is searching right here. Okay, and we can just go to connect, and it should add that now. So let's see. This popped up on my screen. It says pair now. Let's go to pair, and it should be paired now. So it says it's failed because I think I just did it and it didn't work. So just make sure your devices are searching for each other, and then you should be able to just hit connect. So let's search now here. And then there's my phone. And then it should be added. It's going to pop up on the screen one more time here, and just go to pair. And it should be paired now. Yep, there it is. And you can only have one phone as a priority device, and the other one you're going to just have to connect to again. So you can see I'm not connecting my Google Pixel 7 right now. I have to switch back to this. And there should be an option for me to connect to it. So this one is just taking so long for some reason. So you have to connect to it. And now once you're connected though, you should be able to just play audio over it. So just go to Google or something like that, and there's one more permission that looks like I have to accept, so we just need to go allow, and now we should be good to go to play music over it. So we can just go to sync to, if we want to sync our messages. So if we go to like YouTube, for example, where's YouTube? We can go to youtube.com and just play a video, and it should come over the speakers. So wherever we want to play here. So what is this?
He spends nearly $6,000.
So yeah, it's just a YouTube video
to manage his health.
And it's working. And then you can go up and down here, right here for volume. You can see it's moving up and down. And you can see the Bluetooth option is on. So just use this, go up and down for the volume, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.